Hi everyone, welcome back to Vacation Pro, where we show you how to travel more for less. I'm your host, and today I'm going to share with you how I spent 5 days and 4 amazing nights for 7 people in Nicaragua for only $3,500. $500 per person, 4 flights, hotel, and an excursion. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, and I'll show you how I did using vacationpro.biz. First off, let me just say that Nicaragua is a hidden gem when it comes to budget travel. It's a beautiful country with a rich culture, stunning natural scenery, and delicious food. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. So how did I manage to score such a cheap deal? Well, I used the Vacation Pro calculator. The Vacation Pro calculator is an easy tool to help plan a budget-friendly vacation. Simply input the purpose, type, length, budget, and number of people for your trip, and it will generate a personalized budget breakdown for flights, accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. This will help you stay on track with your budget and ensure a fantastic vacation without breaking the bank. The calculator will let you know if your trip is in your budget. Once I received the results, I copied and pasted it into Bing AI. You can use Bing's AI-powered search engine to find the best vacation destinations for you. Bing will aid in finding cheap flights and hotels. Simply type in your destination and travel dates into Bing's search bar and click on the Flights or Hotels tab to see a list of available options. You can also use Bing's Price Predictor tool to help you find the best time to book your flights. Bing suggested Cartagena, which prompted me to ask about Nicaragua. Bing AI told me that this trip would be in budget. The chat then suggested air travel options from Atlanta. You can use Bing AI to find cheap flights from Atlanta to Nicaragua by typing cheap flights from Atlanta to Nicaragua into Bing's search bar. You'll see a list of available options from different airlines and travel websites. I explored the websites and found a flight for $323. Now that we've covered the flights, let's talk about lodging. Using the dates of the flight, I asked Bing AI for cheap home rentals. I was able to find a beautiful villa on the ocean with 5 bedrooms for under $700. There are so many things to do in this city that it was hard to choose. But here is the activity we selected for all 7 people: volcano boarding. Volcano surfing is a sport performed on the slopes of a volcano. One of the most popular places for the activity is the Cerro Negro near Leon in western Nicaragua. Riders hike up the volcano and slide down, sitting or standing, on a thin plywood or metal board. Total cost, $280. With $250 left, we planned a nice dinner for the group at Bocadillos. As you can see, group trip planning does not have to be stressful. So there you have it, how I spent 5 amazing days in Nicaragua for only $3,500. I hope this video inspired you to visit this awesome country and save some money while doing so. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vacation Pro for more travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Get ready to plan the vacation of your dreams. Want to know the secret to a stress-free and budget-friendly trip? Look no further, because we have the ultimate solution for you. How to plan your vacation in 30 minutes or less. This comprehensive guide is packed with all the tips and tricks you need to plan your dream vacation with ease. Say goodbye to endless hours of research and hello to more time for the fun stuff. Why wait? Head to Amazon right now and purchase this must-have guide for a seamless and memorable vacation planning experience. Vacation Pro, Effortless planning, limitless adventure.